Jessica, from the moment I met you and asked you to dance, you've surprised me, distracted me, captivated me, and challenged me in ways that no one else ever has. I knew I couldn't wait to spend the rest of my life with you then, and I know I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you now.
If we're rich or poor, I'll be there to hold you. So if you're gonna run, then run with me. If you got a drum, I've got your beat. We'll make our own path through whatever comes. I'll be alright.
We've laughed, loved, and cherished every moment with each other. We've even endured some losses along the way. But through everything, we're still as strong as the day we met. I still can't believe that each and every day I get to call you my wife. I love you so much.
Chad, through the years we have faced obstacles, some harder than others, that have helped us build the strong foundation of our relationship. But with you, I know I will never have to do anything on my own. Before you, I never truly believed in a one true love or a soulmate. In you, I found a partner in life, a lover, a friend, my safe place, someone I can be my ugliest with, and also my most vulnerable. In you, I found someone who supports me, inspires me, and respects me. I can't believe it has already been 10 years. I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you. I love you, and I promise to continue to love you as long as I live.
You're making up stories in your head.
First of all, I'll give it up to the beautiful bride. She's gorgeous. And thank you, Chad, for giving me all the friendship for all these years. I appreciate it, man.
Never been good at letting words roll off my shoulders. I'm letting you in. It's stressing me out, yeah, it's stressing me out. Solo, I don't know where else to go. You know I try to find you. Solo, I know how it feels to go alone. I try to find a way. You feel right next to me. Yeah, the way you feel right
I think it's
next.
really rare that you have, your sister's your best friend. We've been through a lot, and I literally don't know. Like, you're my #1 inspiration. Like, I'm the person because of you. Like, I'm the mom I am because of you. Everything, stemmed from you. I love you, and I'm really glad that you found someone that's equally as amazing as you are. I couldn't imagine anybody being better for Jessica.
Family and friends of Chad and Jessica Johns, we gather this afternoon in the sight of God to renew their vows to one another. Together, you are a group of important people in their lives, and they've brought you here to publicly recognize that you've all played some special part in the love they share today. This is a time of joy and celebration as Chad and Jessica renew their lifelong union of marriage. Life has brought you both wonderful things and also difficult challenges over the years. But here you stand today, working to continue to fulfill the vows to love, honor, and cherish each other. The little things are the big things. It is never being too old to hold hands or go on dates. It is remembering to say, I love you. It is never going to sleep angry. It is standing together and facing the world. It is speaking words of appreciation and demonstrating gratitude in thoughtful ways. It is having the capacity to forgive. It is giving each other an atmosphere in which each can grow individually, but also together. Ladies and gentlemen, it gives me great pleasure to present to you the married couple of 10 years, Mr. and Mrs. Johns.